Students, hi my learners. Today we are to learn movements of the Earth and planets revolution with Miss Team Vega. What are we to learn today? We are to learn and determine what is revolution of Earth. What is revolution of the Earth? The Sun is a star and it's at the center of the solar system. So now the Earth moves around the orbit. And it takes about 365 days and a quarter days to complete one orbit around the Sun. A year to complete an orbit has 4 seasons. We have different seasons because the Earth receives different amounts of heat and light during the year. This is because the Earth's orbit is not completely round. The orbits are revolve shape, as you can see. And when the Earth is closer to the Sun, right here and here, it's warmer, and when it's further it's quite cooler. So this way we are experiencing what we like to call winter and summer. As you can see in the diagram, it's much more further when it's winter and autumn, and this is just a clear example of sun being experienced on one end and darkness on another. Okay. To demonstrate revolution, we have a video for you to view. Enjoy. So, as you can see, there's a candle right there and a globe, and it has a moon. As the Earth moves, the experience is different. Different sides of Earth experience the light. The candle is the sun. The moon is also moving on its own axis. As it moves through the sun. That's the sun, and this is the orbit. And as it moves, is experiencing different seasons, whilst the Earth itself is experiencing rotation. So it may be experiencing day at this light part. At this dark part is experiencing what? Night. And with that, the moon may be shut out completely from the light. And so that's how you have no moon, full moon, if it's experiencing full light. And sometimes half. At this case, it's experiencing half light and half darkness. So now it's a half moon. And as you can see, this is a different part of Earth now, experiencing another length or closeness to the sun in heat. And that is how evolution happens. Looking at the picture, at the bottom, this is the sun. The candle is representing heat and light. At the bottom, it's winter, the seasons really, winter, autumn, whatnot. And this is the Earth, and the Earth has the moon. And it really has a representation of how the moon is full, half full, and sometimes not full at all. And while the Earth itself was rotating, as you saw in the video, it experiences day and night. Away from the sun is night, towards the sun, night, exposed to light is what we call day. So this is just a picture of the diagram itself, the model that we used regular materials around the house. Nothing special, just recycled material. Okay, from that we learned there are 4 seasons, and seasons are based on the rotation of the earth around the sun, and the orbit of the earth is around the sun is elliptical, and the earth is tainted. So the side that is facing the sun experiences summer, while the other half experiences winter. Let's say summer is happening in the southern hemisphere, so winter will happen in the northern hemisphere. Let's recap what we learned today. Revolution is all planets also revolve or travel around the sun on their own orbits, and planet Earth revolves around the sun in its own orbit or pathway. To complete one revolution takes 365 and a quarter days, as we experience this in a year. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure to spend this few minutes with you, and from this team figure, have a lovely day, and I really hope this lesson was highly beneficial to you. Thank you. Bye, my bright stars. Bye.